Want to use Instagram without letting others know when you're online? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off your active status in just a few simple steps, giving you more control over your privacy while messaging and browsing the app. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone and sign in if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Activity, then scroll down until you reach the How Others Can Interact with You section. Tap Messages and Story Replies to continue. Now, find and tap Show Activity Status. You'll see a switch next to Show Activity Status. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once the toggle changes to gray, your activity status is disabled. After turning this setting off, other Instagram users won't be able to see when you're currently active or when you were last online. Keep in mind that this works both ways. Since you've hidden your own activity status, you also won't be able to view the activity status of other users. If you decide to make your online status visible again in the future, simply return to the same menu and turn the toggle back on. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial with another quick and easy tech tip.